So good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Take two. The first time it didn't record, so I feel kind of silly backtracking here. Um, we're here right now in City Hardware in Oton, and we're picking up some material, more bags of skim coat, and we're looking at color charts because we need to decide about the garage. I told Melinda, please don't make it too colorful. She said that what, like a rainbow, she's not going to do that.
Yeah, like
She
a
said some
rainbow.
other choice words too. But I'm not going to repeat those.
Yeah,
But he asked this gentleman if they had a color chart that we could take with us, and he just went and got us one. So say hello to everybody. I'm going to throw you
Bye,
on
guys.
YouTube. Yeah, he's been a nice guy helping me here. I appreciate him. I'm just a very nice gentleman. So yeah, we are at the point that we've got to start picking out a color scheme for this house. And being that they are trying to finish up this garage in there right now, I thought, man, we want to make the garage match in with the rest of the house. I don't want it just white. It is a garage. The walls can get dirty. So it's time that we start making that choice. Did you say I can take this one or not?
Yes, sir. You can
Yes.
have it.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
can have this one.
Good. That way we'll have time to sit down and think about it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's where we're at there. I picked up a few tools. I'm trying to price that 3/4 inch film covered plywood for form board. We're going to need quite a bit of that. I'm probably going to need at least maybe as much as maybe 40 sheets or more of that. Their price here was higher than All Home. I'm going to check a couple more places, but I asked for a discount here, but the discount was only 600 pesos. You're talking about $12 discount buying that many sheets, and the price is already higher. I really didn't see any savings, so I'll probably just go have to buy those elsewhere. Meanwhile, I'm gonna wrap up here and get back to the property there because we're having steel delivered this morning, and I want to be there for that. You see my supervisor here, keeping an eye on things. Dad always watching. I told y'all, he's always got a watchful eye. Always watching out. He's just a good, simple man. I love Dad. Good guy. I think he really misses working. Every time he sees it all happening, he's always smiling. He's a good man. It's one of Mom's cows staked out. Yeah, it's one of the calves. Good looking little calf, isn't it? Handsome little thing. If that calf was smart, he would run from me if he knew how delicious that I think he is. Yeah, you see, Mama knows. So get away from him. He'll make you into a hamburger. She said, son, run. Look how beautiful green it is here right now. Isn't that something? It's a malunggay tree that it's been harvested on for years and years. because if you'll keep cutting it back, like Melinda come out here and chopped all of this off of it, every time you cut it back like that, it sprigs out new growth like this. Yeah, and you can just keep harvesting from it again and again. There's many of them in here like this that not only us but other people come harvest from. But this tree's been here for a while. Like I say, if you just keep cutting it back, don't let it get too tall, you can just keep on harvesting from it. So CC Ryder, these are the new hard hats. I'm making them wear these hard hats now on the job site. Yeah, it's the new cement hard hat. So the guy showed up here from FLS. It's a place I like to buy hardware from. I've been buying from them for several years now already. I know these faces. I always see these guys. Always happy when they come here. When it's hot weather, they like to take a break for a little while. but it's good guys. FLS. See right there? Close that door right there. If you're building around here, I'm telling you, go see them. Good people. Right? So I'm about to wrap up for the day and go to the house. I see Melinda's outside here somewhere. It's getting wider and brighter and cleaner and neater in here. How you like that, guys? Yeah, boy, the lights are really reflecting now. And so that's looking good. Hey, Mel. I saw you coming up there. Yeah. So the footings are all going in here. This is out on the end of the house. You see all four of them are progressing along now. He's got that grating, the grill and stone put into the bottom of this one. It'll be ready to tie in the steel for the column coming up. They're still chiseling their way through the clay and the stone on this one. It's got a ways to go. The guys that's working on this one, they've moved a little bit further down, but it's working in. And this one is dug all the way down, and it's ready to have stone put into the bottom of it and the matting put in. So over here next door, I worked on a lot that don't belong to me. It belongs to my neighbor. Him and his wife are both doctors. They're in Iloilo, and this lot, I had it cleaned up in the past. The people that built over here, they kind of left a lot of debris behind. It is what it is. I'll take that cement rubble and bury it underneath where I'm going to do a ramp extension. They can help out and some backfill there. Of course, here they'll always reuse this wood to, somebody will want this wood. It can be burned, firewood, whatever. But cleaning this lot up for the doctor, I felt like it's harboring a lot of mosquitoes in here, and these boards have got nails sticking out of them, like you see that right there. You can't see them down inside that grass. You step in there, you may damage a foot for life. So it's just best that we know where we're stepping, especially with those kind of things that have grown up inside that grass. So Uncle Joe, he's been starting at the front here and working in. I know this doctor and his wife, but when I say doctor, it's just kind of funny because they're both doctors, so I guess I should rephrase that to doctors, right? I know that they're treat me fair on doing this. I already told him I was going to clean it up, and he's a really nice guy. I've only met her one time, but I've met him many times, and I look forward to him being a neighbor out here. I don't think they're going to be full-time live here. They're going to be like a rest house, a beach house for them. But we got a big rubble pile here. Uncle Joe sorting as he's finding stuff, and I think it's going to help a lot. And he's wanting Melinda's brothers to get him a well put in right here in the front, like they did for me. He's excited for that. He's ready for them to do it like right now. He wishes it was in already right now. Also, I'm going to help him find someone to backfill this lot, let that soil start settling and packing in before they start building here. And that's another good reason to remove all this vine and grass and debris, is so that soil can bond together. He actually didn't realize that, and I said, you know, if you just throw soil over the top of all that, it's going to have that layer of decay in between that it's never going to bond properly. You know, you're going to not have good adhesion for a lot of reasons. And he said it made sense to him, and he was happy to know that. So that's where we're at. I see I need to get my truck closed up. Oh, wait. Hey, Mel, will you bring that box out right here? Come here and hold this for a second, please. So, also, before Mel gets out of here, she can be my my model.
Here's the seller.
The people I bought the solar panels from, I asked them, I said, hey, can you get me some street lights? The subdivision in here, they got, I mean, come on now. They got a bottom of a plastic jug with a piece of steel rod sticking out, and a cheap house light bulb that's not supposed to be outdoors, that's full of water and burn out. And they'll change that bulb 20 times before they put something proper up there. Crazy. Well, maybe eventually we'll get these things corrected in the subdivision, but for now, I said, you know what? Look at it's on inside the box, left it on. Look at there. There's a good example. Look at this. Pull it on out, Mel. Lay it on, if you lay it on the grass, it'll block that sensor. Lay it all the way down. Lay it down. So here it is. You see they start out kind of dim, and then it's got like a radar built in it, and if there's motion, then they turn bright. Let me see if I can move here and make it brighten. There it is. I reached over with my hand, and then they get really bright, and I like that. It goes in like a low power saving mode, and then like say when there's any kind of movement, and see, then it dims back down again. I notice these when I go down the street, down the highway. As my car is going underneath them, the lights are blinking bright. See, I just stood up and moved, and there it is again. So I'm pretty excited for that. Once again, it's kind of like off-grid. I don't have to run no wires. And I'm going to put one at our back gate and one here at the front gate. So what do you think about that? Look at that. Cool. Dim down again. You like it, Mel?
Yeah.
Look at Mel sporting her little Texas Filipino shirt, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, me also, but they don't see me. People don't want to see me no more, Melinda.
Yeah, they don't like to see your face. But
Probably since I haven't been shaving.
Tired to see this face.
No, they don't get tired to see that one. Yeah, it's like National Geographic or something.
National planet of the apes.
Oh my goodness, no, I don't think so. Well, cute ape, cute little ape. So that's it. Billy, out there, what do you think about these? And it's a beautiful day. I don't know if it'll adjust there. Yeah, there you go. Check that out. Nice
Wow.
evening. Yeah, beautiful. Calf still over here getting dinner from its mama. And we just want to tell all of you each and every day, thank you. We appreciate you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
And you new subscribers that's came on in the past few days, welcome to the party, right?
Yeah, welcome to our craziness.
Yeah, welcome to the madness. And trust me, I do sometimes use a razor blade, but I've been in lazy mode. But all of you out there, have a blessed day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
See you